This is Brian, Consultant 890. I am here with Natalie's existing two-stage, 80% efficiency, 90,000 BTU furnace. We'll be replacing it with an Infinity two-stage, 90,000 BTU furnace. Just some unique things about this situation is that the return drop is directly behind the unit, and it's in this inlet right here. So I can't, unfortunately, get you too much picture and video from behind, but it looks to be pretty standard back there. We'll be replacing just the furnace and her humidifier. I imagine we'll orient it in the same way it is currently. The access is a basement, like a utility room. There's, no really spatial concerns getting in here. 890 out.